Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. I'm going to show you two different ways how to unfollow on Instagram, and you can choose the one that you like best. So first, just open up Instagram, and then if you want to unfollow some Instagram user, you can just open up their profile page, and on their profile page all you have to do is just hit right here where it says following, and then at the very bottom you can easily find that unfollow feature. You can just tap on that to unfollow that user. Now let me follow him back, and I'll show you the second way how you can easily bulk unfollow multiple persons at the same time. So let's move on to your profile, and then just hit right here at following to see all the followings on Instagram, and right from here, in order to unfollow someone, all you have to do is just right here hit at following to unfollow all of that users one by one. And also in the same way you can follow them back. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.